Chetan and BTech CSE student representing our team Alpha Coders, we are tackling a problem statement ID 25074 titled AI powered personal farming assistant for Kerala farmers. Under the theme Agriculture, Food Tech and Rural Development, our main objective is to empower farmers by giving them the right advice at the right time in their own language and tailored to their own farm so they can improve productivity, reduce cost, access schemes easily and adopt sustainable practices. As we know that the problem statement is Kerala smallholder farmers face unique challenges. They often receive generic advice that doesn't match their local soil, weather and crop conditions. They also struggle with record keeping, missed government schemes, deadlines and face losses due to unpredictable rain, pests and volatile markets. Most importantly, many solutions are not in Malayalam and exclude farmers who are not literate in English or Hindi. Our solution is Krishi Saki, a personalized AI-powered digital companion. It works like a friend who understands each farmer's context, provide timely advice, and learn from their farming journey. Key feature includes farmer and farm profiling to build a personalized fingerprint, voice, first conversational interface in Malayalam, simple activity logging for sowing, irrigation, and pest issues, productivity, AI advisory for weather pests, outbreaks, and market trends, smart reminder for crop operation and government schemes, knowledge engine combining local calendars, pest data, and best practices.
Now, for better understanding of a project, let's rush to a technical approach used. Now, here we see as a farmer come to our web app and log in there with the phone number. And by what the farmer needs help, it's raise a query. Our chatbot can analyze its query and respond on the basis of its query category. Here, it's also receive web notifications as the weather issues, money prices, and geo market informations. If a farmer has not a smartphone, then he can directly connect with the IVF facility where he can, or basis of the voice, he can interact with the chatbot and raise queries and ask for the help. Here, with the technology used for the building out the solution is Canva for the UI UX and Figma for it. For the front end technologies, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and TypeScript along with the React and Vue.js. For the backend, we use Python for the NLP and the machine learning algorithms. As LLM, we use the Gemini API for the efficient data processing, as we know that backend for the Node.js and Express.js. Here we use API as a Gemini API for the efficient and the large LLM models. Database as a MongoDB and deployment as a GitHub and Vercel. Here we also use the IoT devices for the efficient tracking of the fields as a form of Kerala farmers fields for the better understanding of the fields and farm fields. Along with the crops condition, we also implemented a facility of the crop analyzing health features in the above. As a ARVR facility, in this we use the interactive farm experience or the without moving towards the farm. Here we use farmers use ARVR just by seeing entire farm with the help of drone without moving over the entire field. Now for the feasibility, here technology readiness. Do you use Gemini API and offline ML models for the robustness in both online and offline modes? As we know that the farming areas has low connectivity. That's why we use offline model also. So as the market size demands 146 million plus farm small farms, considering massive addressable markets, revenue potential, impact driven growth, and farm accessibility, adoption factor, competitive edge, and infrastructure support, impact driven growth also. Our platform combines multiple facilities in a single place that's work efficiently and also reliable for the farmers to engage all the things within a single web app. As its impact and benefit, social impact, food and security boost for the nations, rural empowerment and inclusions, sustainable agriculture for the future generation. In this web app, future farmers are also engage and learn their best practices for the farming. Farmer impact 15 to 25% yield farmers and 20 to 30% low input costs, increase income. Market benefits approx 50 million plus agriculture technology is opportunity. Or as the farmers can directly benefit processing various government schemes along with the app. They all these schemes are present in the web app, and to, they efficiently apply from there. For better understanding of project, let's see our working prototype. Here we use empowering through the technology. Let's see. Here voice assistant, live money prices, profile detection, weather advisory, agro knowledge games, e-pass generator for the mandis, and subsidy finder for the government schemes. Crop calendar, either personal calendar based on the net area and where he lives. Blockchain tracking for the efficient tracking of the payments for securing payments. Let's see the voice assistant features, which is works on the Malayalam. Majorly, there are most of the available language Malayalam, Punjabi, and Tamil along with that. Here, with the prices section, it shows real-time mandi prices of the various mandis over the various across the country. Let's see. Here, the market decides what is the today's trends and the demands. Based on that, it can represent information on in a simple way. Now, for the weathers, it gives personalized weather recommendation along with the API of the open source API of the weathers and notification on the basis of their current and the future's weather reports. It not only helps the farmers to prevent the farming from damages caused by the climate changes and weather reports. Now, here is the most important and the originality section, which includes the profile detection and climate risk alerts and satellite early detection for the prevention of crops from damage. Drone monitoring, ID sensing hub. Here. Now it gives market advisory based on the current trends and demands for so that farmers can easily tackle and know what they actually is going on. Now that's our solution. Thank you.